All right, got about 5 minutes till market open. 4 minutes. Yes, today is Columbus Day. The banks and bonds are closed, but the market's open. We can trade futures and options. So if you did take a trade on your cash account Friday, the money will not be settled today. Do I trade holidays different? I'm just gonna treat it the same. I already caught a nice trade this morning, the one I put in the admin trading floor inside Team Bull. Oh, whatever it is. So what is the holiday? Maybe I'm wrong. I have not looked. Someone told me in the live this morning. Is Discord down? No, Discord's working. Yes, Columbus Day, yes. That's what I thought. Let me see how much I'm up off that trade. I'm out now. I made $537. Pre-market trade, not bad. See if we can make a big bag though. Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone this morning? Welcome in. I just want to say I appreciate all the support you showed me on purchasing my indicator I dropped over the weekend. Yeah, if you have any questions about it, just let me know. Do my best to answer them. I posted some tips on my Instagram story and inside the Bears Den channel on my Instagram. You know, I don't take rejects at all-time highs based off of it, and I don't take 8:30 a.m. data candle confirmation. Some tips to help you. So I'm looking for a pullback for another long entry. 580.84 on SPY. 580.84. Or just a nice pullback somewhere in this area here for a possible long entry. You can trade SPY options or ES futures. I have a feeling Jadon's about to come on here and scare us off. He's just waiting. Here we go. Well, that's a quick dip down. There was no way to enter off that.
Good morning, good morning. What's going on?
Oh, you scared me.
What's I wasn't even loud that time.
I don't know, you caught me off guard.
What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Happy Discipline Over Dopamine Monday, baby. Come on.
Happy Monday.
Let's go, baby. What's up, Irish Shirt? What's up, Cap? Alan J. Price. Pal. Ever. Some of all trades. Wildman Will. Lenny. Breach. Stakiyaki, Mike Hop. Jay Quinn. Let's go. Top of the morning, baby.
How we doing, YouTube?
Top of the morning.
I want to rip some ES long here so bad.
Lots of impacts. Hope everyone had a blessed weekend. Let's get after it. Pretty dry for the most part data week too. I don't really have a whole lot going on this week.
This is the area if we're gonna bounce here on SPY, this is it. ES for the continuation. I'm gonna try some longs on ES.
Here's the into ES loans.
Come on, push up, give us that. All right, keep on pushing. I'm gonna take some off up here. There we go, keep pushing. All right, I have one runner left. I'm kind of scalping this push up into strength. Stop loss is at 876.
Attaboy, Grizzly.
Appreciate it. Keep pushing. There we go. Keep going. Be sure you're moving your stop loss, everyone, to entry. You don't want to give back any profits off of a quick trade like this. Can everyone hear me on that? Did you catch this with me? ES longs?
Killed that, bro.
Appreciate it. Trade's over. You can leave the runners if you like. My this platform kept glitching on me. Made me nervous there for a second. There's a reason I closed out that runner.
Just like that, baby.
Just like that.
I move, you move. Just like that. You killed that. Monday's done. 4 minutes in.
Second winning trade this morning, man. First one was in admin chat. The trade ideal, at least. YouTube, I took that, we took ES longs down here. Caught the move up. The only reason I closed out because my platform was glitching. I didn't want to get caught in that trade and it not work properly. But it's working fine now. Nice. Love to see that impacts. He's up $785 per account off that trade. Nice.
Maybe he's getting on today. He'll be in at 10:15.
You see anything you're watching, Jadon? I know you hate this type of market right that we're in right now, but
Not a whole lot, man. I mean, definitely not in SPY.
I will never again take a reject at all-time highs. I don't care how good the zone looks.
Won't do it. To be honest, right now, it looks like SPY wants that magnet number 600.
Yes, it does. I was hoping we'd have a nice pullback, but I don't know if we'll get it today. Could be, we got the banks closed, the bond market closed. Could be a grind up day.
I'd be surprised if we saw a lot of volatility or volume today. I'd be pretty shocked.
I made over $1,000 this morning. I'll take it on a day like this. What's up, YouTube? Welcome in, everyone. I just want to say again, you'll probably hear me say this about 3 more times, but I appreciate all the support you all showed me with the indicator I dropped over the weekend.
Still no power.
For those that purchased it, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And if you want to get it, still you haven't got it, go to grizzlytrades.com. You can find it there, or my Instagram, go to my link in bio. And I'll try to post it in the comments as well here on this live, but grizzlytrades.com is where you can find it. I'd like to bounce on ES if we can pull back to like 5866, but quite a ways away right now. Yeah. I'm not sure if we'll have, it could be today. We could just see a slow grind up. We'll see how it goes. We'll see. We caught 2 trades. One trade on here live, and another one was posted inside Team Bull this morning. So I'm up. Oh, I could probably show you on my P&L, but I'm up like 1,000 something. Extra $1,000 a day never hurt anyone, right? Never hurt anyone. I'm gonna mute for just 1 second, YouTube. What's up, everyone? Is trading my only source of income? No, definitely not. I would never recommend having trading as your only source of income. It's gonna add 3 times the stress to your life. Whatever you're good at, whatever you know a lot about, find a way to make money at it. Turn it into a niche, like turn it into a side hustle, whatever you gotta do. More income's the better. Do I trade full time? I would say yeah, because I trade every day, but it's not my only income. If you hear background Team Bull, you'll hear Team Bull admins talking as well. I'm live in Team Bull trading.
Danny's awake. I spoke with him.
I'm sure he'll be here soon.
Yeah, it's Monday.
Yeah, NQ wants the all-time high. Let's see. Yeah, NQ, QQQ, they're all pushing back up towards it. 503.5 is high on QQQ. Well, SPY's almost up over close to $100 above that previous all-time high that we hit.
Like crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
What's going on? Good morning. What's happening?
What's up, GD? How you doing?
What's up, GD?
Good. Good, bro. What's up, guys? I don't have much into play, but I do like a reject on QQQ up towards 500. It's a little ways, though. This market is strong, man.
I know, it's not going nowhere.
What happened to Tesla?
It's not going nowhere but up.
Tesla's not strong.
That Tesla has relative weakness.
Yeah.
Relative weakness on Tesla.
Apple's pretty strong.
The video flagging.
Person bad news on Tesla. I see.
I still think Tesla's going to be massive one day. You know, sort of their technology, and no one talks about them as an AI company like they do NVIDIA.
They always take a hit off news and then rebound fairly quickly.
The only thing I don't like, I love Tesla's technology. I'm huge. I've always been an Elon Musk fan. It's just I don't like how they're so reliant on him. You know, God forbid something ever happened to him, or vice versa. Your whole investment's pretty much gone.
Bitcoin's pretty strong.
Banks are closed. Got it going crazy. We should have just held that first trade we took. Looks like Team Bull.
We can take
That 580 retest this morning. Nice. See, some people on Team Bull are still in. Nice. Looking through some individuals here.
we were just pumping.
Do I hold the trade Grizzly?
Yeah, no, I took 2 trades, paper-handed both. MSTR is pumping too.
Seeing how Bitcoin was pumping a little bit this morning too. It's still pumping 65K. NQ.
You all have any questions for me on YouTube here? We got some time. You want to drop the questions in the comments. Do I go live every day? I try to. I'm going to try to trade live with you all. I got some stuff off my plate now, so we're going to be more focused in. More focused in. Do I go into a trade at strike price? I trade at the money strikes on options, if that's what you mean. No reject levels today. Let's not reject everything. We don't need to fight this strength. Ideally, we wait on a pullback to enter. Do I use hard stops? Yes, after my first trim, I set them. How often does my indicator fire per day? So I dropped the indicator over the weekend. I've tested it quite a bit. The hourly time frame is what I go off of for confirmation. I would say 2, 3 maybe. We're going to have to pull back some for it to have any levels, but yeah. Any more questions? Explain the difference between bid and ask. So bid and ask, you got, how's the best way to describe that? So the difference between the bid and ask is the spread, right? It's called the spread. And you got bid and ask on stocks, you got bid and ask on options. You know, when you're day trading options, one thing you want to pay attention to is the spread. You don't want to be trading options with a huge spread, especially if you're buying, you know, side. If you're buying quite a bit, it's going to open you in the negative, in the red. So basically, the amount the sellers are willing to accept. Hold on one second. I see something. Bid and ask, buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers. So I'm trying to think the best way to like go into details. There's a couple ways. There's a few different ways we could go about that. I would say the best thing you could do, because I break it down into details. It's kind of a longer subject. I got a video on my YouTube right now. It's a class I taught on options. And I talk about the bid and ask there. So I think that would probably be the best place to cover, best place to get what you're looking for. I'm watching the setup here. We're starting to pull back on SPY. That's why I keep pausing. See if we can't catch another long entry. Have your ES ready. QQQ. Okay, I'm back. We're a little ways away from my bounce. I'll let you all know if I take it. But let me see. Do the Grizzology buy sell signals display at the end of the hourly candle or when? Well, they'll start once it confirms what I'm looking for. It will pop up the buy or sell. But you know, it's a good practice to wait till the candle closes to see, because sometimes it will go away before the candle closes if the confirmation flips. If that makes sense. Maybe this 582 area if we pull back for a possible bounce. I've took 2 winning trades this morning, so I'm not just needing a trade, but this trend entry does look good. We have strength, clear uptrend. So I think there's still money to be made today. We just got to wait on the pullback. Confirmations. I watch price action, but I only take trades inside my zones with confirmation. Price action, volume. You know, I identify whether more aggressive buying or selling in them areas. Trading books. I've got all kinds. The Mental Game of Trading is a good one by Jared Tindler. What's that one called? I can't think of the name of that one. What's the name of it? Well, the Mental Game of Trading is a good one. You can start there. Yeah, Trading in the Zone's a good one. It's old, but good one.
Regular, just straight up.
Yeah, there's no pullback. I was gonna try another trade if we pull back to that 582 area, but we didn't even pull back to that. Year or so. Kind of like a pullback, like a right here, somewhere in this area for possible bounce. You can trade ES based off that level. GD, what did you say you was watching on QQQ?
I'm watching around this 500 area reject.
All right.
I mean, it's so strong, but we'll see when we get up there.
I agree though. If we're gonna reject, that'll be where it's at.
The area.
Yeah. Just run up the thumbs up, the likes in the YouTube live for me. Thank you. I'm having a good time this morning trading with y'all. I love when it actually makes sense. And the market actually makes sense.
Brandon, you here today, man? What you saying?
I think his mic's messed up, he said. No FOMO trading. There'll be more trades. Don't chase. Live to trade another day. I'm gonna look through my indicator real quick, see if it how it did on individuals today. $1,137 profit on the day. Not bad for a Monday. You think so, Rock? My trading view froze up for a second. Let's see. Just needing a pullback for a call entry at that 9 EMA. Uptrend entry.
Well, apparently all we do is just slow grind up now. 583.4.
Just not much going on. We caught a trade earlier, but right now I'm not currently in the trade. Yeah, I agree. Has Danny caught any trades yet, Jalen?
I haven't been in there.
Maybe he's catching something. This is the most aggressive selling candle we've had on QQQ all morning. The last 30, 40 minutes. Why is it pumping? Oh, just making new all-time highs on SPY and ES and SPX. All-time highs, uptrend. QQQ is not too far away from all-time high now. Did anyone in the YouTube live catch that trade with me earlier? The one I called out? The ES longs? Just want to make sure some of you all is making some money. It's alright. There'll be plenty more to come. Maybe not today, but we'll catch some good trades this week. I'm going to be more picky with our trades. I don't care, I don't like a losing trade, but I know how to manage mine well. And I know it's part of it, but I hate when you all take a losing trade with me. It's the worst. I see a higher risk trade here. I hate to call it out because we've already had 2 winners. Yeah, if we're going to continue up on QQQ, this is where it should be. I'm not entering anything yet. I'll let you all know if I do, though. It's hard to enter off big moves like this. Alright, 2 winning trades on the day, but I'm giving NQ long to go. If it stops me, I'll call it a day. If you took the trade with me, you're up. Don't take it. Enjoy your Monday. NQ longs. My entry was at 643. If we break below 630, I'll just wait a second. Let me see my exact stop here. I gotta pull up this. Yeah, I'll keep my stop loss 597.6 on QQQ. Let me see, QQQ. Just trying to break it. There's only a possible reversal place I've seen. I still think we push up to closer to that 500. Gonna keep we're at the 5 or the 9 EMA right now in QQQ. Close below that, I'll be out. If we get a close below 9, I will be out. Ideally, would like to see high day out of this.
There's
Still could bounce here. It's just hard to time NQ perfectly.
take some wiggle room, that's for sure.
Yeah, you gotta have some wiggle room on NQ. It's just so big, you know? Still think we bounce here. Still around YouTube. I'm just sipping my drink and watching this.
That's what I'm.
Have you all been watching for any swing trades? You see any potential setups? YouTube? Always down to check out some possible swing trades. Can you all still hear me on YouTube? My chat may be frozen. Look how it kind of pushed down to that VWAP and that 20 EMA. Any questions for me, YouTube, while we got some time? We'll see why we couldn't see a high day here. It's just hard to time your entry in QQQ or NQ perfectly. It's so big. It's like you have to have some wiggle room. I didn't take calls. I just took the NQs, the futures. Oh, did a push day at the gym this morning. Tricep is feeling it. Yeah, today would be a good day to sit on your hands. If you some people just don't trade good on Mondays. Is anybody like that in here? It seems like Mondays tend to get people. And then we got a holiday, so if you're gonna not take a trade, just watch the market, focus on learning, education today. I think this is still gonna be a winning trade as far as like our entry, but for those that's trading NQ, I didn't want you to get caught in a big drawdown there. I'm still mastering my NQ strategy, everyone. I can trade ES and options good. NQ is something I'm still working on the best strategy, best sniper entry. But I'm learning quickly on NQ that you gotta have some room on your stop loss. Yeah, Fridays. Same thing with Fridays. Some people don't like trading Fridays. But it's usually Mondays or Fridays that get people, from what I've seen. What's up, Team Bull? I got a question, Team Bull. For those that trade NQ a lot, what do you typically keep your stop loss at? Do you just base it off the chart, or do you have a set amount? 50 ticks, 40 ticks. Yeah, you definitely have to have some wiggle room for sure. we had the right idea on that trade. It just didn't want too much drawdown on the NQ. I'll be happy when we're away from all-time highs again. Had enough. What exchange do I use? So YouTube, if you want to get funded to trade futures, like through funded company, go to grizzlytrades.com and check out Apex and use code Grizzly. If you don't want to risk your own capital, or you just want to trade using a funded account. I don't see no more trades, everyone. There's no point in us hanging out here. I don't have any trades. If my indicator alerts something later today, I'll check that out. But other than that, we're not close to any levels. Again, one last time before we go, I appreciate you all for the support you showed me over the weekend purchasing the indicator I dropped. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Best place to reach me is on Instagram DMs, okay? I have one Instagram. You can find it at grizzlytrades.com as well. I appreciate you all for watching YouTube, and I will see you in the morning.